welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a Valentine's Day clean and transition into spring decor. So you guys are gonna see me change out of like my Valentine's Day decor and just switch right into that spring, bringing in that new season and that new fun into my house. All right, so the video is going to be a couple of clips. You're probably going to see me in a couple of different outfits because I can't do this all in one day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and of course leave your comments, your tips. Let me know what you guys like, and I will list a lot of the things that I purchased in the description so that way you guys know where to get them, and so you guys can do the same thing for your house. All right, so guys, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I'm about to start changing all of my cushion covers on my couch into my spring theme color. So it is a yellow, white, and gold theme that I'm going for, but more of a tropical vibe. So you will see a lot of palm leaves and things in my decor. So I have these huge Euro pillows that I'm going to incorporate on my main couch, my sectional, and then I also got these other really nice different patterns to kind of represent the theme and give it a bit of like a pop. So this one has actual palm leaves on it, so it's a white throw pillow case with palm leaves on it. So you'll see a close-up at the end of the video, right? And then I usually, when I purchase my pillowcases, I usually get a set of 2 of each one. So because I like everything to match, have coordinate on each side of the couch. So that's how I do my decor. Everything has to be like in sync. So I got some solids and I got some really nice pattern theme pillowcases. So this one is like a nice yellow solid color, and then I got the palm leaves, and then I also have another golden white pattern one that was that kind of gave it another extra edge to the chair. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm actually gonna drop the links in the description for these throw pillows, so that way you guys can get them yourselves if you like them. And of course, please don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have in the comments. I will definitely respond. As you guys can see, I have a lot of throw pillows. So, because I like my couch to look full, very relaxing, very fluffed up, very cozy. So, I have a lot of them. So I like to make sure that I have a cover for everyone. Right, so then I'm gonna lay out the Euro pillow first, and I'm gonna try to figure out which design pattern I want to do. So the golden white one that you guys see in the middle, I've always had that one. It was a Christmas gift I got a few years back, so I wanted to make sure that everything else around it looked nice. And you guys can see I put another 2 sets to match all my single chairs. Now I'm going to start wiping off my coffee table and putting all of my pieces that I've created. I actually did a video on some of these home decor pieces in my home decor video playlist, so you guys can always check it out and see how I created these pieces. Alright, gonna wipe down my TV stand. And I have another nice piece that goes there. So now I'm gonna decorate I call it my drum, my golden white drum, which is, that goes right next to the couch. So I'm taking out the candles that I had in there, and I got these candles that beeswax kind of candles, yellow candles to go in there to match with the gold, and I kept the little white piece, the white plant in the back, and I put some palm leaves underneath it. Now I'm gonna do my bookshelf, my stand, wipe everything down, and put my decor pieces in there. One of the first things I'm going to do is I got these little decorative balls that are yellow and white. They're perfect to go in that tray to go with the theme. Right, so I got these decorative balls from Amazon, so I'm going to drop the link for that in the description. And then I'm going to start placing my pieces on my bookshelf with all the palm leaves and everything. So like I said, guys, if you guys want to see what these how I did these pieces, I did do a video of me doing them, and I incorporate some other palm leaves in areas just to carry the theme fluently throughout the entire living room. Next, I'm gonna do my console table, right? So and then I got that really nice candle from a friend, one of my best friends. She came over and she was like, "Oh, I have this really nice candle." I thought, because everybody knows me, I love candles. So, I love candles that smell really good. So when I saw that, I was like, "Oh, I love this," and it actually happened to go with the theme. So, put it to good use. So now I'm gonna do my dining table, and you guys are gonna see how everything kind of ties together from my living room and, of course, to my dining area. So after I wiped down the table, like I said, guys, my theme is yellow and white and gold, and with a tropical theme, yellow, white, and gold, right? So yep, I got this tablecloth from Amazon with the little fringes at the bottom, right? I got a little fur runner also from Amazon. Amazon has been my go-to for getting a lot of my decor, right? These placemats I actually got from Home Goods. I saw them not fully sure what theme I was going to do for spring, but I said I know I'm going to put them to use. This is one of the centerpieces that I did, which is a part of the same video, my DIY centerpiece video for spring. And then, of course, I have my charger plates, the gold ones. I put some of those palm leaves, of course, to continue to accentuate that theme across the board. These candle stands and candles I also got from Amazon. And what I like about the stands is that they are like a bird cage, so they have the topping to go on top of it. And then the candles are like aromatherapy with this lemon scent, so I don't even have to burn them, and you smell them as soon as you walk in my house. It's amazing. And then I did some of the flowers and those back centerpieces as well, and reused some of those. We used some napkins that I had and incorporated a palm leaf and some of the flowers into them, right? Now I'm putting down my yellow coasters and some of my white vases. I know you guys already, not vases, glasses. You guys are so used to seeing me put down my Moscow Mule cups, but it didn't match with these things because they were rose gold. So I kept them out this look this time. Alright, so now guys, here's a close-up from the top. You guys see the vases at the top, and now coming down, you see the tray with the decorative balls and all of the centerpieces that I did. Right, so those white vases I've got from Michael's years ago. The clear ones I got from Dollar Tree. That bucket vase I also got from Michael's. And then we have, you guys see the candles, the yellow candles, right? And then now you have my living room chairs. Now you see them. Now I'm taking this video in daylight so you guys can actually see how the pillows look and how everything kind of ties together. And here's my coffee table. Like I said, I use the palm leaves to kind of tie everything together as good accents to these pieces and to the decor as like a little placemat for some of the pieces. You see my single chairs and my TV stand, and of course my little coffee table between my single chairs has like a nice piece as well. All right, so you guys see how all of the pillowcases and everything tie together, how the whole living room kind of ties together. Right now you guys see my console table, so you do see the other long extended vase that I have, right, with the lamp. And then you guys see my dining table, right? So I'm actually gonna do more of a deep close-up of my dining table so that way you guys can see. So here you see the charger plates, you see with the napkins, right? You see, you know, every single bit of detail. Now you get to see the bird cages closed up with the candle, the aromatherapy candle inside of them, right? You see the yellow placemats, right? So everything here is just, you know, it ties to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you know anytime I post another video. Bye.